supporting Mr. Cutting in third period. My name is Braulio. I'm joined with Joseph and Brieg, along with Alyssa, and today we are working on our water rocket lab. Right now we are setting up all the equipment necessary to make this lab. During the construction and research phase of our rocket, we came across this video by the Sci Guys in which they build a rocket similar to ours. As you can see, their fins are almost identical to ours. We decided to shorten the fins as we believe the fins would weigh down the rocket. We cut the fins 8.5 by 6, and so we launched later on. So my group and I decided the hypothesis was the more water you add, the higher the rocket would go. The independent variable was the water, as we were able to change the amount of water that we contained inside the bottle, and the dependent variable was how high the rocket went up in the air. Alright class, so as you can see here we have two bottles. One's Fanta, one's A&W root beer. Originally this Fanta bottle was going to be our base rocket, but unfortunately the PVC pipe didn't fit quite well. Fortunately for Mr. Cutting, he gave us this really cool, nice fitting A&W root beer rocket which fits quite well with the PVC pipe.
Okay, you guys should be shooting video of that too.
hypothesis in which we stated the more water in the rocket, the higher the rocket would go was incorrect. As we saw in the video, the more water we have, the lower it goes. The rocket with the half liter of water actually flew higher than the one with the full liter of water. Therefore, our hypothesis was once again incorrect. Some errors that occurred during our construction of the rocket were the fins. The fins were initially too big, so we decided to cut them down to 8.5 by 6. We believed originally that the fins would weigh down the rocket, so therefore we did that. So one phenomenon that occurred during the launching process was the fact that our rocket flew to the left every single time we launched. We had no idea if it was because of the fins, the position that they were in, or the amount of water. So at first we learned that the less water we have, the higher the rocket would go. Choosing a model was also difficult for our group, and one thing we can certainly say as some advice would be launch multiple times in order to accurately gather your data.